Imagine coming home after a long day, throwing a few ingredients into a pot, pressing a button, and boom, a perfectly cooked meal is ready in minutes, not hours. No mess, no stress, no guesswork. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's exactly what an Instant Pot can do. These multi-cookers have taken over kitchens everywhere, replacing slow cookers, rice cookers, steamers, and even air fryers. But with so many different models out there, how do you choose the best one? Some are packed with high-tech features, others focus on pure cooking power, and some are all about affordability. Well, don't worry, because we've done the hard work for you. We tested 13 of the most popular Instant Pots, judging them on performance, ease of use, versatility, and overall value. And today we're counting down the top 5 Instant Pots of 2025, going from great to the absolute best. And trust me, our number one pick is an absolute kitchen powerhouse that you won't want to miss. So make sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button for more expert product reviews, and check out the product links in the description to grab your favorite Instant Pot. Now let's dive into the list. If you're looking for an Instant Pot that delivers amazing performance at an affordable price, the Duo 6-quart is a fantastic pick. It's the perfect balance of quality and cost, making it ideal for anyone who wants a simple, no-fuss pressure cooker without unnecessary extras. Despite being one of the more budget-friendly models, this Instant Pot holds its own against premium competitors. It has all the essential cooking modes: pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, and even yogurt making. And during our testing, it performed just as well as more expensive models. We were particularly impressed with its sauté function, which reached high temperatures quickly and distributed heat evenly. It browned meat and veggies beautifully without burning them, something that even some high-end models struggled with. One thing this model doesn't have is Wi-Fi or advanced smart features. If you're looking for app connectivity or custom programs, you'll have to go for a more premium option. But if you just want a rock-solid Instant Pot that gets the job done, this is the best bang for your buck. Not everyone needs a massive pressure cooker taking up counter space, and that's where the Duo Mini comes in. Perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or couples, this 3-quart powerhouse delivers all the cooking versatility of a full-sized Instant Pot in a compact design. We were honestly blown away by its performance. It outperformed larger models in searing and sautéing, delivering beautifully caramelized meats and veggies. It's also incredibly easy to store, making it perfect for kitchens that are already packed with small appliances. Don't let the size fool you. This thing is powerful. It has the same key functions as the larger Instant Pots, so you're not missing out on anything. Whether you want to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, or make yogurt, the Duo Mini does it all. If you cook smaller portions or want a portable Instant Pot, this is a fantastic choice. The only downside? It's not great for big batch cooking. So if you regularly cook for a family, you might want to size up. This one is for the home chefs who want it all. The Pro Crispin Air Fryer is a true kitchen powerhouse, combining pressure cooking and air frying into one multifunctional beast. In our tests, it handled everything like a champ. From perfectly cooked beans to beautifully browned veggies, this Instant Pot can pressure cook, steam, sauté, and even roast. The air frying function is what really sets it apart, giving you that crispy golden brown texture without the need for excessive oil. The only catch? It's not the best for beginners. With so many settings, 2 different lids, and a ton of customization options, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But if you're a serious home cook who wants maximum versatility, this is hands down one of the best Instant Pots you can buy. Welcome to the future of Instant Pots. The Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart is the most high-tech model on this list, giving you full control from your smartphone. With the Instant Brands Connect app, you can start cooking, release steam, and monitor progress from anywhere, whether you're in the next room or at work. And with over 2,000 preset recipes, it makes meal planning easier than ever. Aside from its tech perks, this model also impressed us with its exceptional cooking performance. The NutriBoost self-stirring function ensures even cooking and better flavor absorption, while the 10 cooking modes make it one of the most versatile Instant Pots out there. The only downside? If you're not into smart features, the extra cost might not be worth it. But for those who love tech and convenience, this is the one to get. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart. This model blew us away with its flawless cooking results, huge capacity, and user-friendly controls. With 25 smart programs, it takes the guesswork out of cooking, making it perfect for both beginners and experts. Whether you're making ribs, soup, or even cake, this Instant Pot delivers consistent, delicious results every time. It's big enough for families, meal preppers, and large batches, but still affordable compared to other high-end models. If you want the best balance of performance, price, and features, this is it. And there you have it, the top 5 Instant Pots of 2025. Whether you need something budget-friendly, compact, high-tech, or a full-on kitchen beast, there's an option for everyone on this list. If you're serious about upgrading your cooking game, don't wait. Check out the product links in the description to grab the perfect Instant Pot for you. These sell out fast, so make sure to get yours before they're gone. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert reviews on the hottest kitchen gadgets and home tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.